Hey guys, we're live at 9:13. Battling battling for Mike's Luke Jedi figure, for which there are 40 spots. Looks like a nice Luke Jedi. I get 40 spots, and I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Paste him in there, 1 through 40. Going to roll a dice, got to get at least a 5, which we did. We got a 6, so we're golden. Good luck, guys. Jimmy, round 1. Robert, 2. Kenneth, 3. Len, 4. Jay in the top spot for our 5th round, our next to last round, number 31. And our winner is Robert Bergeron in at number 29. Congrats, Robert. NBLZUU is our verification for our official results. Again, Robert in at number 29 is the winner. I'm done at 9:14. As you can see, yeah. Again, here's the official results. Robert in at number 29. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.